Hello guys, it's Fluffy Bear and Flushy Rabbit here. This is my first vid on Roblox that is long. I sadly have no wins. Okay, now let's find where we are going to sit. I'ma put it in speed. You can watch some Peppa Pig while we wait. Nature Trail!
Today, Peppa and her family are driving out to the countryside.
Daddy, what will we see in the countryside?
We'll see birds.
Okay, that enough. I'ma find my seat real quick. I found my seat and so did Rabbit. We are close. Rabbit, I can't wait for our first time in the plane.
Hello everyone. This is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard flight 6118. Don't forget to subs to Flushy Rabbit and Fluffy Bear. We are currently flying at an altitude of 33,000 feet above sea level. The weather looks good, which means we will be arriving in no time to our destination. Feel free to explore the airplane.
Okay, let's explore with me. Okay, these are the restrooms. These seats look really comfortable. I guess this is a kitchen? I don't know why Booty have a bad feeling about this. It's okay, it's just an airplane. Okay, so I think we pretty much explored the whole place.
Now please find your seats as we're about to cross an area of high turbulence.
Okay. I can't wait. Me too. Fast speed. Oh no, what's happening? I don't know and I'm scared. Oh, it stopped.
Thank you for your cooperation.
No problem. I'm so hungry. Me too. Let's just wait for the food.
Get ready as our crew prepares a snack for everybody.
Yay!
Hello everyone, we are the crew members. We will be delivering delicious sandwiches. Enjoy!
Yay sandwiches, but I'm not going to eat them just yet. Help, I'ma eat many, I'm so hungry. Okay. I'm not feeling very well. Oh no, what's wrong? Wait, the sandwich has mayo. I'm allergic to mayo.
Oh no! Quickly, we need to find Flushy Rabbit's baggage for medicine.
I'm on it. I found it. Phew, that was a close one. Yay, you're welcome.
Good afternoon to all passengers. I inform you we've reached a stable altitude. It would be a good time to take a nap and enjoy the ride.
Oh my, I had an amazing nap.
Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. We still have a few hours to go.
How sad. I know, right? I can't wait to land. Oh no!
It appears that we've lost energy. Hang on as we try to fix it.
Guys, look. What is that on the right wing? I don't know. Let's go check. Oh no, what is that?
You will not survive.
Are those snakes? Ah, my God, I hate snakes. Me too. How about we try to escape them? I had a really bad feeling about this. But wait, the restrooms, they are open. This is kinda weird being in a restroom with someone. Let me just pee. You. I'ma pee on you. You stop, you. Flushy Rabbit, okay, whatever. I think they left. Flushy Rabbit, yay, but that was scary. We should discuss what the heck is happening. Yay, that was weird. Now what do we do? I don't know. Well, I'ma just do my little dance. Flushy Rabbit, the power is back up. And the snakes are gone. Thank God. The creature on the wing is also gone. Creepy, but wait, you have powers. Flushy Rabbit, you really are dumb.
The good news is the power is back up. The bad news is that we are losing a significant amount of oxygen. Oxygen masks will drop from over your seats. Take one quick.
I'm ready. Me too.
This mask will keep you safe until we stabilize the oxygen levels.
Oh my God, what is this? It looks like a bomb. Oh no! Flushy Rabbit, WHAT are we going to do? Okay, everyone calm down. Flushy Rabbit, if we find something sharp to cute the cables, we might be able to save Fluffy Bear. Oh my God, I don't wanna die. I need to find a scissor or something. Found it. But which cable should I cut? Flushy Rabbit, oh my God, just cut blue. Oh my God. Oh no. Welp, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subs. Bye.